Warren Buffett warns about the coming recession. Prepare for the worst. In a world teeming with financial uncertainties, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, issues a stark warning. Prepare for the worst. Today, we delve into Buffett's foresight on the looming recession, dissecting his observations and advice to navigate the turbulent times ahead. Welcome to Ace Wealth, where financial wisdom meets insight. In today's episode, we unravel Warren Buffett's recent cautionary words about an impending recession. From inflationary pressures to economic policies and personal strategies for weathering the storm, join us as we explore how to prepare for the uncertain economic future. As the specter of recession looms large, Warren Buffett's insights become more relevant than ever. Today, we dissect his views on the signs of inflation, the resilience of consumer demand post-pandemic, and the disparities inflation creates. Stay tuned as we share Buffett's strategies for protecting your finances and making the most of inflationary times. Even amid the vibrancy of market highs, Warren Buffett spots the harbingers of economic turmoil. With a career spanning over 6 decades, Buffett's acumen in reading economic indicators and his sage advice offer invaluable lessons on preparing for and navigating a recession. Inflation signals and consumer demand. Buffett begins by pointing out the clear signals of inflation, notably within the construction industry and the rising costs of materials like steel. Despite the pandemic's turmoil, he remarks on the surprising strength of consumer demand and the resilience of markets. However, the ongoing supply chain challenges paint a complex picture of recovery and strain. Buffett's observations extend beyond mere market trends. He delves into the psyche of the consumer, noting a significant shift in spending behavior. This pivot, he suggests, while buoying certain sectors, places unprecedented pressure on the supply chains, exacerbating the inflationary trend. The resilience of the market, in Buffett's view, is a double-edged sword, promising recovery yet threatening overheating in an already volatile economic environment. Economic disparities and fiscal policies. Highlighting the unequal impact of inflation, Buffett shares personal anecdotes reflecting the changing business landscape, where some sectors thrive while others falter. He critiques broader economic policies and fiscal stimuli for their role in exacerbating inflationary pressures, predicting inevitable increases in inflation due to these interventions. Buffett warns of the ripple effects these disparities have on the broader economy. The uneven impact of inflation, he argues, necessitates a recalibration of fiscal policies to mitigate widening economic divides. His narrative weaves through the complexities of inflation-induced disparities, urging policymakers to consider the long-term implications of current economic strategies on social and economic equity. Protecting against inflation. In the face of inflation, Buffett doesn't leave us without guidance. He emphasizes the importance of personal skill development and advocates for investing in businesses that boast high earning power with minimal capital investments, a strategy for safeguarding one's financial future against inflation's erosive effects. Buffett's strategy for navigating inflation extends to the investment horizon, where he champions the value of owning assets that inherently resist inflationary pressures. He points to real estate and equities in companies with pricing power as examples, emphasizing that the right investments can serve as a bulwark against the eroding effects of inflation on personal wealth. Historical context and philosophical insights. Buffett offers a historical perspective on inflation, lamenting the diminishing value of the dollar. Yet, in his characteristic philosophical manner, he encourages making the best of inflationary times, stressing the opportunity within the crisis for those prepared to navigate it. If you're finding these insights from Warren Buffett as riveting as we do, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your engagement helps us demystify the complex world of finance. Let's continue to uncover how to brace ourselves for the looming economic downturn. Navigating the recession. Buffett's warning is clear. A recession is on the horizon, yet with his advice, there's a blueprint for not just surviving, but potentially thriving. Investing in oneself, seeking out resilient investment opportunities, and staying informed can turn the tide in one's favor, even as the economic storm approaches. Buffett doesn't just stop at diagnosing the issues, he offers a roadmap for resilience, focusing on long-term value creation, diversification, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Buffett's counsel is a beacon for investors navigating the choppy waters of recession. His perspective is not just about survival, but about seizing opportunities that adversity unveils, encouraging a proactive stance in personal and financial growth. Today, we've journeyed through Warren Buffett's cautionary outlook on the impending recession. From inflation's visible signs and consumer demand's resilience to the disparity it brings and strategies for protection, Buffett's wisdom sheds light on the path forward. As the clouds of recession gather, Warren Buffett's advice offers a beacon of hope and strategy for the uncertain times ahead. The key takeaway: prepare diligently, invest wisely, and remain adaptable. In doing so, we can not only navigate, but possibly emerge stronger from the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for joining Ace Wealth in exploring Warren Buffett's insights into the upcoming economic challenges. For more analysis and tips on thriving in uncertain financial times, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Remember, in the world of finance, being forewarned is being forearmed. Until next time, stay informed and stay resilient.